Okay, so welcome again my channel, and now in this video we will solve our remaining puzzle. In previous video we have solved this bottom side. Now we will solve this top side. So bottom side is some little bit easy, but top side is some little bit tricky. We will use algorithm many time. So sometime we can use right side algorithm, sometime we will use front side algorithm. Okay, so in this top side we have total four color. So we will select any one triangle piece. If I select this triangle, so we will match this white triangle with any white edge piece. If I rotate this top, so we can see we have matched with this. Now we will must place this pair in this top portion. So if I rotate from this position, so we can see we can place in this top side. So we will use algorithm. We cannot place directly because our this piece also shift in this top side. So we will use algorithm and we will place this pair in this portion. So our algorithm is, so this is our right side algorithm: right up, right down, front down, right up, front up, right down, and front down. And now we can see they are remain saved, and we have placed our this pair in this top side. Now we will match this pair with this. So if I check this, so we can see we cannot match with this. So this is our another pair. First we will place this pair like that. I mean, if I rotate in this side, so we can see we must find our pair in this position. So if I apply right side algorithm, so we can place this white pair in this position easily. So we will apply right up, right down, front down, right up, front up, right down, front down. So one pair we have in this side, one in this side, so we cannot match these two pieces with this. If I check from this pair, so we can see we have created arrow. So this is our first step. We must create one arrow. I mean, we will match center, two edge piece, and this triangle piece. Now we will facing up this arrow. If I rotate, apply algorithm from this right side, so we can see we will facing up this right side. So first we will facing up this side. So right up, right down, front down, right up, right down, and front down. So we can see we are facing up this triangle piece. Now we will connect another center white piece in this side. So this is our center piece. So we will must facing up this piece. We will not facing up from this side. We will facing up like that, because we will find our white center in this side. So in this time we will find, we will apply front side algorithm. So front up, right up, front down, right down, again front up, right up, front down, right down. So we are facing up this piece. Now this is our last center piece. We will must place this center piece in this portion. So we will apply right side algorithm. We can place in this side. So right up, right down, front down, right up, front up, right down, and front down. So we have placed in this position. Now we can check this pair in this side. So we can connect these three pieces easily. Now our next step, we will must place this complete portion like that. I mean, we can place horizontal. So this is our vertical position. So we will apply right side algorithm: right up, right down, front down, right up, front up, right down, and front down. Okay, so we can see we have created our ideal setup, and just match this top triangle with this portion. So we can see we have complete one side easily. So this step we have complete. Now we can select any other triangle. So we can select this red. We can see this is complete pair, and also we have find this in this bottom. So if I select red, now our next step, we will match this triangle with this pair. So we can see we cannot match from this side. So if I match this edge piece with this, so we have created another pair. Now we will place this pair in horizontal position. So if I apply from right side, so we can see we cannot place horizontal position. So if I apply from front side, so we can place. So front up, front down, right down, front up, right up, front down and right down. So one pair, second pair. So now we will match this complete pair. So we cannot match from this side, and now we can see we can match from this side, and we have complete our triangle. Now we will must place this triangle in this top side. We will facing up. So if I apply from front side, so we can see we can facing up this triangle. So front up, right up, front down, right down, again front up, right up, front down and right down. So we are facing up this pair, and we will must rematch this white. So we have created our triangle. Now we will match this complete pair with this last center. So we will must facing up this pair. So if I apply from right side, so we can see we can facing up. So right up, right down, front down, right up, right down and front down. We are facing up this pair, and now we will match this pair with this. So we can see we cannot match with this. So when we find this kind of situation, so we will must change its axis. So we will place any empty portion in this side, and now we will change its axis. I mean, we will rotate one time. So right up, right down, front down, right up, right down and front down. So now if we try, okay, so we can see we can match these three pieces. Now our next step, we will place this complete pair like that, I mean in this position. So first we will check. So if I apply from right side, so we can see we cannot place in horizontal position. If I apply from front side, so we can place. So front up, right up, front down, right down, front up, right up, front down and right down. So we have placed like that, and now we will match this red. But we can see if I match this red, so this white will shift in this side. So first we will solve these two. When we find this kind of situation, we will place this red in this white side. We will create this kind of situation, and we will apply very easy algorithm. So write down r prime d r l d l prime, again r prime d prime, and then r. We have applied algorithm, and now we will check our position. So this is fixed, this is fixed. Now we have remain blue and yellow. So we can select any one color. So we have create one, we have available one yellow pair. So we will select this yellow, and if we match this yellow with this side, so we can see we cannot create our arrow. So if I select this blue, so we can see we can easily find our blue triangle. So we can select blue, and now we will facing up this blue triangle. So from front side we can place easily. So front up, right up, front down, right down, front up, right up, front down, right down. So we are facing up this blue triangle. Now we will match these two blue center with this blue edge piece. So if I rotate this blue, okay, so first we will connect with this. Now we will change its rotation. We will not place like that, we must place like that. Then we can match second blue in this position easily. So this is our front side rotation. So front up, right up, front down, right down, front up, right up, front down and right down. So we have create ideal setup. Now if we rotate like that, so we can see we have create our complete portion. Now we must place this blue line like that. So if I check from front side, so we can place easily. So front up, right up, front down, right down, front up, right up, front down and right down. So now we can see we have solved our these pair, and we have solved our top. We just match on its position. So this portion we have also solved, and this bottom portion we have also solved. But in last step we can find one kind of parity. So first I will create parity, and then I will show that how we can fix this parity. So sometime when we solve our cube, we can face this kind of parity. We can see we have complete our cube but these two sides we can see they are flipped to each other. This purple portion we need in this side, blue in this side, so all side we have completed. So when we find this kind of situation, so our first step, we will place cube like that. One portion that we need to flip we will place in this right side, second we will place in this back side, and then we will create our setup. So first we will rotate 2 times u prime. So this is our setup. Now we will apply algorithm r prime, d prime, r, l, d, l prime, again r prime, d prime, and then r. So we have complete algorithm. Now we will change our portion, so we can see we have solved our parity. So only this parity we can face in this cube. So I hope you enjoy this video. So I request to everyone, please like and share this video.